That's how with Diesel get my mind right. It's crazy, my own homies hating, cause I'm almost in that limelight. Growing up not having shit made me grind.
Yeah.
Go cry, bruh. Ain't no one gonna listen to you here, bruh.
Nigga, ain't nobody finna cry.
Yeah,
Look, y'all don't beat your ass, nigga, out here with the pale ass legs. Nigga, how you got a hoodie
Shut
on
up.
and shorts? Is
You
you
got
hot
your
or
shit from
cold?
Wish.com. Shut up, hoe ass nigga.
Wish.com. Nigga, I
Look
know
at
you
your
ain't
fake
talking with
Gucci
that
shit,
Amazon
nigga.
fit on.
Shut up, nigga.
Nigga, did your mama sew them patches?
Hey, you need a ride, bro?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Yeah, right.
You said what?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, come here. Put your hands up, bro. Put your hands up, bro.
Just 'cause I'm
This ain't
white.
racist, nah. This ain't got nothing to do with your color, bro. This ain't got nothing to do with your skin color, bro. Come here. Don't even try to unlock the door, because it's locked.
What's the bind? What's the bind?
I need 100K. It's Lil Durk. And what is he doing? Hey, get back in the car, bro. Buddy over there, get back in the car. Thank you. I just need 100K. You know, I'll take 10K because it look like you might be new. You feel me?
Yeah.
Hey, man, everybody move around, bro.
I don't know how to give you 50K.
You don't know how to give me 50K?
No.
Ah, okay. So now you don't know how to give money. Okay.
Hey, tell me, I'll give you the money. I don't really care.
What you doing? What, nigga? What? What's up? What?
Why did you kill him?
Cause he didn't give me the money, bro. What you mean? I'm like that. I'm on demon time. I ain't afraid to die, bro.
I know I'm on demon time. Man, give me the money, you bitch ass. Come on.
First of all, them my guys over there right there that's hopping out that car. You feel me? You see what's wrong with you? See what just happened to you, bro? Don't ever.
You too, bro.
So y'all gonna snake me?
You guys clap yourself, man. What
Yeah,
the
that's
fuck
wild.
is
Y'all,
that,
yeah,
man?
that's crazy. They can't even be doing that.
What is that?
I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know who they are. How they gonna snake me though like that? They gonna snake
Man,
me?
you touching my dick or something? Man, what the fuck?
Okay, now yeah, you just talking. You not even saying that.
No, man, that shit crazy, man.
Bro, what are you talking about? You just talking.
So I keep my eye tight. This what they been waiting for, but the wait is over. You better ask about Lil Snoop, bitch, I'm taking over. I put my city on my back like my polo.